Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is day number 8, I think, on our little trip here. Yeah, it's day number 8, and the prompt is baking. So I am doing this cut file, and I did it twice. So I did it on brown, and then I did it on white. So this white piece will go over the top of these. I am going to not touch this right now. But what I am going to do is I'm going to take all these pieces and I'm going to emboss. And then the collection that I'm going to be using, it's the new baking collection that says Freshly Baked from Close to My Heart. So I'm going to speed this up and kind of get you through the process of how I'm going to make these look like ice gingerbread cookies. So, and then the process afterwards. Okay, so I've been bringing you along with this process, and it's just going to be kind of chunking it because I didn't want to have you watch all of this, but essentially I took my clear embossing powder, and that is what I put on there, and then I came back and I kind of went through it over and over and over, and as you can tell, they start to get that glossy feel on it, and I just wanted it to look like a kind of like that gingerbread style cookie baking, because that is what the theme is for today, is baking, over at Confessions on the Paper Attic Cut File Shop, where all of us are doing those baking photos. So now I am coming in with that Close to My Heart collection, the Freshly Baked. I will link that all down below to my shop and everything. It is still available, but my suggestion would be that it was running low. So if you are interested in it, I would go and get it as soon as possible. I did do my white gel pen this time around, and on camera you can't quite see it, but in real life you do see the white doodling instead. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to literally glue this down flat, because as you can tell off into the corner, I backed all of those cutout pieces with my foam tape so that that is all available in there. And so that you can see that they kind of raise up a little bit on that regards. And then before I put any of it down, I went in and really splattered the yellow shimmers. It's Bumblebee as a background, just to add a little bit. I am actually going to be adding 4 photos to this. I really don't do much because I really want the photos to stand out. And instead of doing the annual Daddy Cookies title, I went with Living the Sweet Life, because I used the stickers that were on the sticker pad for this collection, because I really like that, because my daughter eats a lot of sweets. Like, I'm not going to lie, she eats a lot of sweets. She has got the worst sweet tooth ever. And so I'm like, she's very different from me. I don't eat a lot of sweets. I'm more the other way. I'm not even the salty either. I just don't eat that kind of stuff a lot. So it's very different for me, but in a sense, she's a sweet person. So I'm just going through and adding all of these little pieces back on there. I do stop a little bit and then I come back. This has been the tedious part. A lot of this was getting the embossing done, getting this cut file down, and then putting these down, because everything else went really, really quick. So make sure that you go like and subscribe to Virginia's, along with anybody else that is following. The list will be down below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week, collaborations, all of that fun stuff, design teams, all of that. Also, I'd like you to go join my group if you are on Facebook. I am starting my monthly crops. It will be at the end of January. I have the dates already up and loaded into my group. I would love to see you over there. It's just a weekend that you can get together and we crop online. I have Zoom links, all of that fun stuff. So I'd love to see you there as well. Make sure that you also go follow along with everybody else that's linked down below. Virginia does also have a 25% off. All of her cut files will be 25% off from now until the end of the collaboration, which would be in the United States the 19th of December. There's no code needed. You just go and you get 25 off. So here is the 4 photos. it's like the start to finish photos that I decided to take this year because it is something that we do every year. It is like tradition as well as that baking side of the house. So this is a tradition in our house, but it also falls in tied with my baking, and so that's what I decided to do. Now it's just like the 1, 2, 3, 4 type layouts. It's literally how Josh and Kaylin does daddy's cookies, as they call it, which is just sugar cookies. So the title, there's a title that says Living the Sweet Life, and that is what I add, and I put that big old sweet right on front of all of those photos. I just love it because essentially your eyes can kind of tweak around the sweet and it works out really well. I do have to play with it. I try to get it where I match it so that it doesn't take up too much of the real estate of those photos, but still where you can see it. Now I know on camera here you can't quite see it, but you do see it. It is there. I'm definitely working on getting all of those done. And then I do come in on this particular collection from Close to My Heart has a bunch of cookies and all these little bobs that I would use while we were in if we were in the kitchen. So I put those all down and I kind of place the cookies and the gingerbread and the stars and just all of these little things kind of around every place. I tried, the only one I couldn't get, and you'll see me, I think I pull it off like 3 different times throughout this process, and I just couldn't get the gingerbread house. It's a little bit too big for what I'm looking at doing, but I just love how this turns out. I think it's super gorgeous. It's kind of one of my simpler cut file layouts to most people. If you follow my channel a lot, this is very simple because I really don't do much to the gingerbreads. I wanted to leave them and just leave them as is. Now I know I could have added sparkle and kind of mix the gloss together if I wanted to, or you could definitely take your Nouveau drops, but because I backed them up on foam tape and I really wanted the photos to stand out more than, your eyes going around and around and around with trying to achieve like how I did the different ones, I just left them blank. I do put the cookie cute down there. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day. Still Shots are here, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.